as far as this entire transformation at AWS India is taking place. So let's begin with the vision for India. It's a very evolving landscape. How is this transformation taking place, and what does that vision look like going forward?
Ridhima, thank you, number one, for having me here. I think the evolution of the data and AI landscape in India in the last few years has been absolutely remarkable, and it's accelerating on several fronts. Right? The foundation of an AI future is actually, and truly its progressive power is actually based on having a very robust data foundation. And I think increasingly enterprises, startups, governments, they've all realized this, and that's where the drive is. Right? Last year was a year of experimentation. This is the year where the entire focus is on how do you take those experiments, put them into production to be able to make impact at India scale in the real world, right? A large pillar of that is also how do you bring trust and reliability to what you do with AI. And if you look at what we do with our services like Amazon Bedrock, as guardrails, we put into place how you can govern what you do with AI. How do you control hallucination? How do you control reasoning, etc., etc. So, because that's an ideal pillar of where you want to, what you want to do. The third is, especially in a country like India, you want your data sets to be able to reflect who you are as an organization, our demographic, your demographic, and that has again become an area of focus. But I think what really excites me most is that AI has truly become collaborative. What I mean is, in an enterprise across the line, whether it is developers, scientists, or business users, they are able to collaborate on the same use case without necessarily all having to have the same level of technical depth.
Yeah.
So, services like Amazon SageMaker, Kiro allows that to happen across the web, and that's what really excites me. So I think scalability at India scale, right? Collaboration for AI, and of course trust and reliability. Three pillars, that's where we're building AI to go from it.
Sure, very fascinating pillars, and we will of course get to each one of them in a little more detail in just a bit. But again, from an overview perspective again, from the perspective of AWS again, you're helping a lot of organizations through their modernization process, and all of this transformation is very, very heavy as far as data is concerned. So it's very data driven. If I had to ask you some of the key enablers that are helping this very data driven transformation taking place, what would those be?
So interesting, because this is something that we are asked very, very often, right? And if